Hello guys! So for this video po, pag-uusapan ulit natin yung dividing polynomials, long division method. So this is our example number 2. So meron tayo ditong 4x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 8 divided by 4x plus 1. So of course, ang una natin gagawin ay i-divide mo muna natin si 4x cubed kay 4x. So 4x cubed divided by 4x. So, of course, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Tapos, itong x raised to 3 at saka x, copy lang natin si x kasi same po sila ng base. Yung exponent po niya na 3, copy natin minus the exponent po sa x na nasa baba, minus 1. So, magiging x raised to 2 po yan. So, yun po yung ilalagay natin dyan sa taas. Ngayon po ay imo-multiply po natin si x squared sa kay 4x at saka kay 1. So, x squared times 4x is 4x raised to 3. Tapos, x squared times 1 is of course x squared. Yan siya. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Pagkatapos ay i-minus po natin. Okay, i-minus natin si 4x raised to 3 kay 4x raised to 3, of course, magiging 0 siya. Tapos si 5x squared minus x squared, of course, 5 minus 1 kasi may 1 po dyan. So, magiging 4x squared na lang po siya. Tapos, bring down po natin si 5x at bring down din po natin si 8. So, ngayon po ay i-divide naman natin si 4x squared kay 4x. So, 4x squared divided by 4x. 4 divided by 4, of course, that's 1. Tapos, copy lang po natin yung x. Tapos, yung exponent ng x sa numerator, copy natin. Tapos, yung exponent din po sa x na nasa denominator, yung nasa baba, ay isa-subtract lang po natin. So, 4x squared divided by 4x is x na lang po. So, yun po yung ilalagay natin sa taas. So, ilalagay natin siya dito, x. Okay, tapos, itong si x, i-multiply natin kay 4x at saka kay 1. So, isa-isahin natin. Si x times 4x is 4x squared. Ayan siya. So, change ko lang po muna yung ating color. Ayan, 4x squared. Tapos si x, multiply natin kay 1 is x po ulit. Okay? Tapos, ayan, i-minus po natin sila. So, maglagay tayo ng negative dyan. So, 4x minus 4x squared is of course equal to 0 po. Okay? Tapos, si 5x minus x, 5 minus 1, ayan siya, is equal to 4. So, meron tayong 4x. Tapos, si 8, bring down ulit natin si 8. Okay? So, ngayon, kasi pwede pa natin siyang i-divide kasi si 4x at 4x ay pwede pa yan kasi same pa po sila ng degree. So, ngayon, 4x divided by 4x, pala lang po yung, ayan, 4x divided by 4x. So, parehas po sila. So, parang 1 divided by 1. Of course, parehas sila. 1. 2 divided by 2, parehas sila. 1 pa rin. 4 divided by 4, parehas sila. 1 pa din. So, parehas lang pong ganun. Okay? So, 4x divided by 4x, of course po, equal po to 1. So, delete muna natin itong ating isinulat. Ayan siya. So, 4x divided by 4x, that is equal to 1. So, ilagay natin yung 1 sa taas. Okay? Tapos ngayon, i-multiply natin si 1 kay 4x at saka yung 1 ulit. Okay? So, 1 times 4x is 4x. Ayan siya. Delete ko lang to. Tapos, 1 times 1, of course, 1 lang din po. So, lagay natin dito, plus 1. Okay? So, 4x minus 4x. So, of course, lagyan natin ng minus yan. So, 4x minus 4x is 0. 8 minus 1, of course, that's 7. So, ang answer po natin dito is x squared plus x plus 1 remainder 7. So, I hope po meron po kayong natutunan, and don't forget po to like the video, share the video, and also follow my page for more videos.